English Bosnian. I would like, equals.
Želio bih.
Polite requests made easy. Welcome. Hey friend. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today we'll master the super useful Bosnian starter. I would like, equals.
Želio bih.
Buckle up for laughs and polite magic, like a genie who insists. First say.
Želio bih.
Then your wish. Your goal today. You'll learn to order and request things politely in Bosnian, fast and fun. Core phrase. I would like, equals.
Želio bih.
Add, please, equals.
Molim.
Context swap. Stronger tone is, I want, equals.
Želim.
But we'll prefer the polite starter. Cafe dialogue. Order like a pro and keep it friendly. You, at the cafe, I would like, a coffee, please.
Želio bih. Kahvu. Molim.
Alternative.
Mogu li dobiti? Kahvu. Molim.
Can I get a coffee, please? Joke. If the coffee could talk, it would sing back.
Želio bih.
BT Poppin', I would like to be drunk. Plane seat request. Window or aisle, you've got this. On the plane, I would like, a window seat.
Želio bih. Mjesto do prozora. Molim.
Ticket counter role play. Travel mode, engage. You, I would like, a ticket to Sarajevo, please.
Želio bih. Kartu.
Za Sarajevo.
Molim.
Clerk.
Naravno.
Of course. Variation.
Mogu li dobiti? Kartu.
Za Sarajevo.
Molim.
Speak to the manager. Politely handle tricky moments. I would like, to speak with the manager.
Želio bih. Razgovarati. S menadžerom.
Forms and tone. Match the phrase to your voice and context. Polite starter.
Želio bih.
If you identify as male.
Željela bih.
If you identify as female. Stronger tone.
Želim.
I want. Use with care. Colloquial variants you'll hear.
Htio bih. Volio bih.
Magic word reminder. Please, equals.
Molim.
Sprinkle generously. Rhythm drill. Make the phrase musical so it sticks. Clap a gentle 3/4 waltz, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and say on beat 1.
Želio bih.
Repeat 3 times. Now add your wish on beats 2 and 3.
Želio bih. Kahvu. Molim.
Quick quiz. Test yourself, super quick. Q. How do you politely start a request in Bosnian? A.
Želio bih.
Q. What does
Mogu li dobiti?
mean? A. Can I get? Q. Choose the polite version. Give me water, or
Želio bih.
voodoo.
Molim.
Quote question mark. A. The second one. Q. Translate. I would like, a ticket. A.
Želio bih. Kartu.
Culture tip. A smile is your best accessory. On Sarajevo's Baskarsiđa, starting with
Želio bih.
and ending with
Molim.
gets you friendliness and often faster service. Final challenge. Your turn, say it out loud. 1. Say, I would like a window seat.
Želio bih. Mjesto do prozora. Molim.
Repeat twice. 2. Say, I would like to speak with the manager.
Želio bih. Razgovarati. S menadžerom.
3. Say, can I get a mint tea, please?
Mogu li dobiti? Čaj od mente. Molim.
4. Bonus bite. I would like a piece of pie.
Želio bih.
Comad.
Pite. Molim.
Thanks and next steps. Nice work. You're sounding more polite already. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Želio bih.
In real-life moments. For more lessons, transcripts, and drills, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Vedimo se.